This year, 12 primary and SEND schools in boroughs across London took part in Eastside's Artists in Residence programme. Each school was partnered with an expert artist specialising in either animation, drama or spoken word poetry. Each school residency culminated in a creative festival where students showcased their work and celebrated their achievements with their families and school communities. The Artists in Residence programme supports teachers with creative approaches to the curriculum through CPD sessions with creative facilitators and with high-quality teaching resources, and aims to build staff confidence to continue producing creative opportunities for students and embedding the arts in the heart of school life.
I want this to be like daily. Yeah, it will be probably better and make us more happy.
We can even make our lives easier.
So my favourite part of being involved in the residency has been just watching the children grow from being quite sort of shy and a bit reticent about poetry and not really knowing what they were doing to now getting to a point where they are so excited to get up on stage and share their words with the audience, and just feeling really confident and really proud of their work. It's been a really beautiful arc to watch.
I mean, it has to be the school show, the creative festival. It has been so special. I've got this huge grin and plasters on my face. My face hurts from smiling. I'm just so proud of what the pupils have achieved. With Rachel, they've just pushed every boundary and it's been amazing to watch.
For me, it's just been a really nice opportunity. I come from South Africa, so I've done like a lot of work with children who come from like impoverished backgrounds or like don't have lots of opportunities, and coming to the UK you'd think that's not going to be a problem, that's not going to be anything, but coming from our community where we are very like economic stricken and stuff like that, having the opportunity to give something like this to our children has just been phenomenal. Like, I don't want to cry about it, but like has really been amazing. And I think just to be able, like I said, to express themselves, it's such a hard thing to do when English is not your first language, and for a lot of our kids it's like their third language. But art is one of those things where you don't have to speak the same language, you're going to feel something regardless of the art you've made, and I think that's a wonderful thing for them to experience.